In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download free CV or resume template from your Microsoft Word and use it to develop your CV. You know, what most people don't really know is that Microsoft Word comes with lots of free templates for you to use to your advantage. Stay tuned as I walk you through on those steps to follow in order for you to download this free template, edit it to your taste to suit what you actually need in the CV. And one good thing is that these CV templates, they are all well detailed in such a way that it gives you what you need. Open your Microsoft Word. When you open your Microsoft Word, it brings you up to this very interface. All you just need to do is to come over to this very place where we have more templates. Click on it. Now it will bring you up to this area. Now come over to this very place. It said search for online templates. Just click there and type resume. Once you type resume, hit your enter. You will see that we have different templates from here. There are whole lots of templates from this very place which you can just click and download it, edit it to your own taste. Let me use this particular one to demonstrate a sample of how you can use this. Just click on this. Once you click on it, it will ask you, do you wish to create with this CV template? You can just click create. Once you click create, it will download for you. You see, it has downloaded. What you just need to do right now is for you to come over to this very place and edit it. Let's assume my name is Sunday Trump. You can see I'm just editing it right now. You can see that. Now what is my job title? Let's say my job title is ICT officer. You see all of those things. Now once you are done once you are done editing the whole thing to your taste, what you just need to do is you come over to your file tab and click save as. You can just browse out the location in your PC you wish to save this document to. You can just click that. For me, I wish to save it under my desktop. You can see, let's say the name of this file is creative computer skills. You see, you can download it to you can save it to this document type. You can still save it to PDF type and all of that. For me, I wish to save it in PDF format. I just select this and click save. Now you will discover that what we have done has actually been saved for you. And so this is the way you can download CV format from your Microsoft Word and edit it to suit what you actually need it for. Thank you. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing so that I will make other videos. You will get notified of when I drop new video in this channel. Bye.